Welcome to the HardReset.Info, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch Gmail application, and now just tap on the right upper corner. Here we can see that we are logging into the Gmail account in Gmail app. That's why if you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should log out from Google account on our device. And just to do that, tap to manage accounts on this device and select this Gmail account. After that, click here to remove account and confirm your action to click by remove account again and tap to OK. Now confirm your action if you have just activated the lock methods of your device. In my case, that's pattern. Now we can see that in Google account settings we log out successfully from Google account. And now let's go back to the application. And now we can see that we also log out from Gmail account in Gmail app on our Nothing phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.